Good afternoon everyone, my name is Sheena Entitas and I'm going to show you how to cook 3 types of egg. When we cook, we need proper PPE, which is apron, gloves, hairnet, and mask.
Here are the ingredients for cooking egg dishes. This is the egg, salt and pepper, and oil, and the cooking pan. Let's start. First step, wash the saucepan and put the water. And after that, wash the egg before cooking. And light the stove. And wait for it to boil and put the egg after boiling water. Set the timer for 10 minutes. After cook, take the egg and put in the cold water. And the next, heat the pan first. And put the oil in the pan. And then, add the beaten egg. And mix until the egg is cooked. And then next is fried egg. Put the oil in the pan. Then put the egg in the pan. And then add salt and pepper. And wait until the egg is cooked. And after that, then put the egg on the plate. And these are our 3 types of egg dish. And this is our egg after that.